Hey guys, how you doing? Mia, you wanna have some fun? You, Korak. Smile for me. Smile. Smile. Look at these beautiful doggies. Mia's like Sally. Oliver! 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 Where's Oliver? Oliver, come here, Oliver. Oliver, hey, Boogie. Come here. Come here, guys. Oliver. Yeah. Oliver. Yeah, Oliver. Oh, come on. Let's go get you a treat. What the heck? Hi, you guys. Come on, man. Yeah, let's go here. Come here, guys. You go, guys. Let's go get some steak, huh? Come here. Let's try to do the ultimate dog piece of the cake. Okay, Cora. Oh, there you go, Oliver. Come on. Oliver. Oh, no, you suck, Oliver. Oh, come on. Oliver. Oh, you're feeding him. That's why. Okay. The other day, Cora, the other day I went to the store at food. I just can't stop food. I just can't stop thinking about it. Yeah. Oh, for sure. Have you seen the ultimate dog piece? Oliver. Close up. Come here, Oliver. Come here, Oliver. Come here, guys. Come here, guys. Oh, guys, sorry. Come here, guys. Come here. Let's do a close up on Mia. What? Woo! Come on, guys. Oliver, come here, Oliver. Come here, Ollie. Come here, guys. Come here, Oliver. Oliver, Mia. Ooh. That dog's best. Woohoo! Mia, Oliver. Come on, guys. Come on. I got treats. Come on, I gotta get them ready. It's gotta be a good video. Come on, guys. You guys wanna come with me? I got something. Come here, Oliver. I got something. Here comes you. Oliver. Come here, buddy. You're so cute. You're so small. Okay, come here, Oliver. Come here. Yeah. Oliver. Come here, retarded brother. I'm not gonna get you. I'm gonna try to get you, Cork. He just walked away. Oliver!
Wayne Gretzky winning the scoring title with 212 points.
Oliver!
Mario Lemieux had 199.
I gotta see, buddy.
Okay, whatever you have, right?
Ooh, buddy. Hey, Oliver. Hey, buddy. Ethan, come here. Hey, buddy. Oh, sorry, am I your spot? I'm trying to get... Pick him up, Ethan.
We were looking at tennis stars and we were
Oliver up.
talking about how hard they serve now.
I'm trying to get him up. Hold on to him. Bring him over here. Watch out for everything. Come on, let's bring him over here. Let's play with them. Oops, sorry, Grandma. Can we put him on a tramp? Yeah, put him on a tramp. Can we put him on a trampoline? Are we? No. Come on, Oliver. Come here. You bit your dick. No, you bit your dick, right, Ethan? Oh, that's even worse. I'm gonna get you. Oliver, it's okay, buddy.
I can stick the racket.
Oliver, it's just me.
I play with now.
He doesn't like you very much, Ethan. Mia! Come here, Mia. Come here, Mia. And that's about it, guys. Oliver!
The planes are bigger and they are stronger and they serve harder. But you gotta remember that.
It's okay, I'm just petting you. Look at that. Look at that rascal. I got you.
She doesn't like to convert though.
Well, they do. You should see them.
Gonna get you.
Ow,
Ow, you bit me. Oh, you're so cute, man. You're so cute. Bye, guys. I'm gonna post it if it won't stop. Please.